You can build this circuit in 3 different ways. You can prepare a handmade PCB, as I am doing now. Another method is to use a simpler perforated board. Or you can opt for the professional method. JLCPCB is one of the few manufacturers offering multi-layer PCBs with prototype speed and production-grade quality. A full-stack ecosystem. Design in EDA, order PCBs, source components, and add SMT assembly, all without leaving platform. I'd also like to mention some of the key brand advantages. High cost-performance ratio, positive film process for fine line accuracy, plus ENIG finish for superior solderability and durability. 4-wire Kelvin test, AOI at every stage. Full in-house manufacturing, 48-hour fastest build time for 6 layers, shipped to over 180 countries worldwide. Need a 6 to 32 layer board but worried about price, lead time, or quality? JLCPCB builds 6-layer PCBs in as little as 48 hours with free via InPad, and 10% impedance control ensures reliable high-speed designs. Link below. Start with confidence.